The worst way to boost your vocabulary is to try and learn all the words that are out there. A better way is through focused vocabulary lists for everyday topics that you need as a beginner, and you'll find out how today. But first, if you don't yet have access to our language learning system, sign up for a free lifetime account right now. Just click the link in the description to get your free lifetime account. How to get hundreds of vocabulary lists for free. So, what are the free vocabulary lists? This is our library of hundreds of focused word and phrase lists, all based on themes and topics that you, as a beginner, need to know. So, common greetings, ways to ask and answer how are you, talking about your day, and things like that. Each list gives you the words and phrases around that theme or topic, plus translations and audio pronunciations, so you're not learning all kinds of random, unrelated words like zebra or economics. You'll find the free vocabulary list in the drop-down menu on the site. Okay, so now that you know what the free vocabulary lists are and where to find them, let's talk about how to actually boost your vocabulary with these lists. How to boost your vocabulary. If you want to speak more of the language, you need to know more words, and that's where the vocabulary lists help. For example, if you want to learn phrases around a certain topic, like saying, "How are you?" just access this list. You can go through the phrases one by one. You can listen to the pronunciation. You can slow it down by pressing the audio icon twice. Or you can listen to the words on a loop as you see them on screen with the slideshow. And for that, just click on View in the slideshow option that you'll see on every list. And to practice speaking, click on the microphone icon to record and compare your pronunciation to a native speaker's. So here, you're just learning and getting acquainted with the words. Now, if you want to master the words, you can use the list with our spaced repetition flashcards or the word bank. Just click on Add All to Flashcards or Add All to Word Bank. With the flashcards, you can drill the words until you know them for good. And the word bank is where you save words that you want to review later, in case you want to revisit some words or phrases. We'll also email you vocabulary lists occasionally. For example, you'll get the Halloween word list around Halloween, the summer vocab during the summer, the winter vocabulary list during winter, and so on. So if you want to learn the language and get access to these learning tools and our learning system, sign up for a free lifetime account right now. Just click the link in the description to get your free lifetime account. Access your free language gifts right now before they expire. First, the Using Transportation Conversation PDF cheat sheet. This new cheat sheet teaches you must-know words and phrases like where can I buy a ticket, how much is the train pass, and much more. Second, do you know how to say Christmas in your target language? With this 1-minute lesson, you'll learn must-know Christmas words like chimney, present, and Santa Claus. Third, want a bonus writing workbook for this winter? No other language app will give you free bonus resources, but we will. You'll master all the winter words and phrases with this free writing workbook. Fourth, how to talk about holiday gifts. What gift do you want the most this holiday season? With this quick vocab lesson, you'll learn common gift vocabulary like laptop, camera, money, and more. And fifth, tired of apps that only teach you random words? Want an app that teaches you the language through everyday conversations? With innovative language learning, you're exposed to real conversations between real native speakers. And then you get everything slowed down and explained so you can learn the language fast. Download it for free on Android, iPhone, and iPad. To get your free gifts of the month, click the link in the description below and download them now before they expire. Great work! Here's a reward. Speed up your language learning with our PDF lessons. Get all of our best PDF cheat sheets and ebooks for free. Just click the link in the description.